Jordan in the know here, and today I want to take a look at Themer. Now, Themer is a launcher that's been around for a while, and in my opinion, this is probably the easiest, most simple way to customize your Android home screen to make it look completely unique and completely different. So, let's take a look at it. So, Themer isn't exactly one single launcher, but it's kind of a few thousand launchers into one. And each one is designed differently, and there are quite a few categories to choose from to get that specific look you want. And I have to say, the entire process of things is really simple and it's really intuitive. After you download the launcher, you're going to be redirected to something called the Theme Store. And once you're there, you'll have access to thousands of little setups that you can download and use for yourself. And once you apply the theme, you'll have a ton of options to customize it, like how many home screens you want, you can insert your own apps and widgets, and you really aren't limited to what you can or can't do. And when you're done, you can save it to something called a themes portfolio, and it basically is a hub for all the themes that you've downloaded, and you can use it on another device. So, like other launchers, Themer still has those characteristics that a lot of us don't really like. For example, more significant battery loss, and it's just generally more resource intensive. But so far, it seems like I haven't had any real performance issues, and I'd say as long as you have relatively mid to high-end phone specs, you shouldn't have any real issues. And another thing, even though you can end up finding some really great themes, a huge problem that I have is how shallow it feels. So whenever you have a real interactive theme, doing certain actions will usually have no animations at all. And if you ever use something like Nova Launcher, you'll know exactly what I mean. And having an animation not be there makes the launcher just feel shallow and empty. Another thing is how clunky certain actions can feel. Like when I try to interact with music, it may take me several times to actually get it to work, or it may not even work at all. And then I have to turn it off via the notification shade. And it's really just little things like that that make this launcher feel complete. And developers have been trying their best to make it feel more full and interactive, but it really won't get there until the developers at Themer can provide those resources. What are some other things that make this launcher so special? Well, pretty much everything that I've said so far is really it. In the theme store, you can find some beautiful looking themes, each to suit a different person, and the best part is it's all done for you. Now, because it's just a launcher, it won't change things like the notification shade or the design of the stock applications, but something cool I found is that even if you aren't running KitKat, Themer will still give you an option to have a transparent navigation bar. Another thing you should know is that the app drawer is the same in every launcher, and I personally don't like vertical scrolling, but luckily all of my apps are on the home screen where I need them, so it's not a huge issue. But anyways guys, that's pretty much it. That's been my review on the Themer launcher. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Now, something concerning last week's video is that I saw a lot of you guys commented and I wanted to comment back, but I decided not to just so that I didn't mess up anyone's chances of winning an invite. So if you have anything you wanted to say, you can comment in this video and I'll respond to every single comment. But anyways guys, this has been Jordan in the Know. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.